Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use count if greater than formula in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Microsoft Excel and I'm going to apply count if greater than formula to this data. For example, I'm going to count the number of the students who got larger or greater than 75 score in the exam, and I'm going to show you how we can add the formula. Okay, first thing first, you have to type in equal and then count if formula like this, and then we can select the range and add the criteria. And since the criteria is greater than, I'm going to type in the greater than symbol like this, greater than 75. Okay, and click on enter. Okay, and this is the number of the student who got larger or greater than 75 score in the exam. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the count if greater than formula in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!